Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to switch between devices on your Logitech Pop Keys keyboard. To do it, you have these three buttons right here, which are for free devices. You can just click on them to switch. So now I am connected to my iPhone because for the first port I have my iPhone. Then here is my MacBook, I'm connected now, and here is my Android phone. So I'm connected as well, and that's how I switch between them. If you click on any port and it doesn't light up instantly, that means that no device is connected to that port. So in order to connect a device, just press and hold on that button until it starts rapidly blinking. Then you can connect a device to that port because it's in pairing mode right now. And also I had my Mac connected, but since I pressed and hold now I have disconnected my MacBook and it is in pairing mode, so I can connect a different device to the second port or just reconnect with my Mac. So that's how you also can just clear up the ports. So for example, if I want to disconnect my iPhone, I'll press and hold here and it'll also disconnect it. So that's how it works. Just press and hold and it'll go into pairing mode on that port. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.